going on, guys? Little update on the truck. Oh, we ran into some problems. Oil pressure was a little bit low for my liking, so I mean it was still above spec. I think the minimum is like 15 psi at 2000 rpm for GM. Was at 20, 22 at idle, but still didn't like it, so I went ahead and pulled the oil pan. The gasket was leaking on the oil pan, by the way. Went ahead and pulled the oil pan and pulled the pickup tube and replaced the O-ring. And the oil pressure is a lot better now. We're at 40, where it's supposed to be, where I like it. And fixed the oil pan leak as well. But now we have an oil leak on the rear main, which kind of sucks because I already had the engine out and the tranny. So now it's leaking way too much and I don't like it. So now I'm backing the truck up so I can go ahead and put it on the ramps and get it up in the air. I'm gonna have to pull the transmission off and go ahead and do the rear main seal. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. So we're at a little standstill. I will show you out here in a little while the leak. So let's see how this goes. Alright guys, I already started unplugging all the wiring, but if you can see there's oil there, all coming from the rear main. So I'm gonna start taking off the driveline, the carrier, pull it off completely, and I'll get back with you in a minute. Pull the tranny off, or just back really. Look at that, seal leaking. Back of the engine. Look at that. All right, y'all. This is where we stand with the truck. I got transmission back up there. Let's see. I just put a couple bolts in it last night, but as of today, I'm gonna finish bolting it up. Put it all back together, start the truck, see how it goes. I'm limited on daylight. I got out of work late today, but see what we can get done in at least 2 hours. I'll keep y'all posted. All right, guys, here we go. I got the tranny back in, driveline in, torque converter bolted, carrier bolted. Everything's on except for, of course, this side of my exhaust, which is thrown over there. I ordered the reluctors, which they just got here earlier this afternoon, so I'm gonna get those welded on there, so in case I do have to pull the tranny ever again, I can just unbolt the 3 bolts here and the 3 bolts there. So it makes my life easier. As you can see, I've cut this exhaust many times for transmissions as I've had the truck for so long, broken it so many times. But that's all we're liking right now. I'm just gonna put the dipstick tube in because I forgot. Let's see how much of a pain in the ass that's gonna be. But there you have it, guys. We'll put that dipstick tube in and start her up and see how she does. See if it leaks any. There you have it, y'all. Dipstick tube's in, battery's back on, everything's done. Now let's get a little co-star with one open header. It's probably gonna sound like shit. So let's have it. I look very low. Terrible, sounds terrible. Alright. There we go. Looks good. Yeah, it's a very low idle in gear. Really needs that tune, yeah. Really need that too. I would like to take it for a drive, but it's currently on one open header, so not my style. Gotta move this bike out the way. There you have it. She's done again. That rear main seal, man, was pretty bad. It was leaking a lot. Now, I feel comfortable getting the tune. That was really the only thing holding me back. After driving in, after I put the engine and transmission, I noticed oil spots, actually puddles, in my garage and driveway outside. So I didn't feel comfortable doing the tune with all that. And then the oil pressure, of course, was low, so I pulled the pan the other day. I'll put some pictures of the pan out and the pickup tube O-ring swap. But she should be good now. I'm just gonna do the exhaust tomorrow. We're gonna weld those reluctors on there so you can have the 3-bolt flange, and you know, anytime I need to pull the tranny for any odd reason, I can just unbolt it. Be a lot easier. So that'll be getting done tomorrow. Hopefully soon I can get this tune, because this truck really don't like this tune. Or this engine, whatever, don't like it. It's running like crap. And that's really why I'm probably not gonna drive it, just to go get it welded at work and then park it again until I get the tune. So that's it for now, guys. Please like and subscribe, share. You know, maybe with this YouTube thing I can afford a lift. I do a lot of mechanic work on the side, work on a lot of cars, trucks, diesels, gas, pretty much a lot of it. So, could really use a lift. Sucks working on the ground, but I mean, it's what I got, it's what I've always done. Nothing new. So, please go like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.